Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the keychain is ready. Check the battery indicator and swap cells if below 20%. Once done, clip it to a primary carry point like your bag strap or belt loop so you can reach it without looking. Make sure you know exactly where the activation button sits and the lanyard length. This reduces fumbling under stress. Practice a single quick press now to hear the alarm and feel how it sits in your hand so you build immediate muscle memory. You next move into active use. Arm the device with the prescribed action, either a firm press or pulling the pin, so you know the exact gesture under stress. Once activated, hold steady. A decisive, strong action triggers the loudest alarm and brightest strobe. Make sure to practice switching modes if your unit has alarm versus strobe. This helps you choose distraction or illumination as the situation requires. Also, remember to maintain a non-dominant hand free to steady yourself and keep the keychain outward for maximum visibility. You finish by safely deactivating the keychain, reinsert the pin or press the off control so you avoid accidental retriggering. Once the event is over, inspect the unit. If the alarm sounded weak or intermittent, replace the battery immediately and log the issue. If deactivation or activation fails, perform a manufacturer reset and retest in a quiet space. If problems persist, discontinue use and contact support for replacement. Remember this single troubleshooting tip. Always carry one spare battery and test monthly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.